Let me ask you something. Are you living life as it is or just how you want it to be? Because the truth is, if you want to win, if you want to be in the top 1%, then you can't afford to think and act like the average person. And you have to change like a chameleon. You must adopt, you must learn to accept what's in front of you when it's uncomfortable, when it's doesn't make sense. Because if you don't, someone else will, and they will win. Every successful person I have met or studied, they all have one thing in common: how to adapt. They know how to adapt, not just to success, but to failure, to people, to system, and to rejection. Think about it. Life is not fair. If you are rigid, you break. But if you are flexible, you survive. That's why adaptability is not weakness, it's your superpower. Think about it. Why do we like actor and actress so much? Because in just a second, they can change their expression, change their vibe, and become someone else entirely. And that shift shocks us. It grabs our attention. The mindset gap between normal people and top 1% people, the average person lives in the world of me, my feelings, my opinion, my ego, and they get triggered easily. They react without thinking, and they hold on to beliefs that don't serve them. And then they wonder, why doesn't anything change? Now look at the top 1%. They don't react without thinking. They observe, they accept, and then they respond strategically. They don't see rejection as personal. They see it as a feedback. And they don't waste their energy to proving a point, and they just focus on winning. One of the hardest thing in life is acceptance, but it's also one of the most powerful thing. And accept that people will lie, that that not everyone will like you, that the world is not fair, that you will fail, and sometimes miserably. And when you accept all that, you are no longer ruled by it, and you free up mental space to grow, move, and dominate. You can't expect to rise above the crowd if you think, act, and live just like them. You can consume the same distraction, follow the same routines, doing the same things, and still expecting different results. You need to be intentional. I think you need to be intentional. You need to be purposeful, and then break the rules strategically and intelligently. You want to be powerful. You want to build a legacy. Then stop waiting for the things to be easy or fair, and start becoming the person who can survive in any environment. So accept, adapt, evolve, and play the game better than everyone else. Because at the end of the day, the world doesn't reward the real, it rewards the ready. So be ruthless with growth and be graceful with change, be fluid, be wise, and be what the moment demands.